Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. We are on the chapter 10 and I think today we will be able to complete this chapter. Okay, so last two paras are left in this chapter. So let's start. Before starting this chapter, let us come to know some important points related to this chapter. You studied about the Sangam literature in this chapter, and also you have studied about the Indian countries, colonies in Southeast Asia, and also we studied some of the important Hindu kingdom like Sumatra and also Bali, Borneo, and also important temples like you have seen the great Vishnu temple at Angkor Wat, and also a lot of things in this chapter. So read once more this chapter yourself. And also you have studied about the Silk Route, why we called the Silk Route, the way through which the travelers used to carry silk, that route is come to known as a सिल्क रूट. जिस रूट से सिल्क ले करके आते जाते थे उसको उन्होंने क्या नाम दिया? सिल्क रूट. फिर उसके बाद से हमने इसमें भी पढ़ा इंडियाज कॉन्टेक्ट विद वेस्ट, और इसमें भी कई सारे पॉइंट्स हमने पढ़ा है. ठीक, विद अलेक्जेंडर्स invasion 326, and also about Roman established their vast empire in the 1st century BC, and also we have seen that lot of luxurious things they used to carry from our country. You may call like this. There was a great demand for Indian luxuries like paper, spices, fine muslin, and also you have seen that perfumes, pearls, and also precious stones, so many things. But they also, in return, they give us silver and gold. Okay, in this way, our country become more rich and prosperous. And while getting all this money, you have seen that our one of the ruler, that means Satavahana rulers, he used to lead the his lead use lead for for making coins. Okay, and see last two paras of this chapter. Okay, India's contact with the world. The Roman traders also started to gain by this trade, and the Roman traders also get benefit, profit through this trade. It is said that the Indian goods fetched 100 times more price in the Roman markets than in India, and also it is true. And also it is said that the Indian goods they get more and more price in the Roman markets in comparison to Indian market. That is why some Roman traders began to reside in many parts of India, and thinking all this about of their own benefit, most of the traders started to settle in India, and also they decided to settle here, and like Mujois, Bekare, Kolchoi, Arikamaidu, Sopare, Broch, etc. The trade with the Roman Empire continued up to 7th century, and these trade means trade with the Roman Empire continued up to 7th century AD, when the Arabs took charge of it, and they left only when Arab took the charge. Most of the land and sea routes came under their control, and one after one, and after now when time passes away, they took all the charges, means they took all the route charges, or sea routes or land route, they took the charges, means सारे चीज़ों को धीरे धीरे अरब्स ने अपने अंडर में करना शुरू कर दिया. Then the Arabs became a link between India and Europe, and in this way Arab became link between whom? India and Europe. इस तरह से अरब किसके किसके बीच का लिंक बन गया? इंडिया और यूरोप का. The Arabs learned a lot from the Indians in the field of science, mathematics, or technology and medicine. And in this way, what happened? They learned a lot of things. और जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया, अरब्स ने बहुत सारी चीज़ों को हमारे यहाँ से सीखा, जैसे कि उन्होंने बहुत सारे नॉलेज प्राप्त किए, जैसे मैथमेटिक्स के फील्ड में, साइंस के फील्ड में, फिर टेक्नोलॉजी के फील्ड में, और भी मेडिसिन के फील्ड में, एंड पास दैट नॉलेज ऑन टू द यूरोपियंस. ये नहीं कि आप जो नॉलेज उनको मिला तो अपने तक सीमित रखें, नहीं, उन्होंने धीरे धीरे किसको पास करना शुरू किया? यूरोपियंस को पास करना सीखा दिया. हमसे सीखा, अब हमसे इंडियन से अरब्स ने सीखा, फिर अरब्स ने किसको ट्रांसफ़र करना शुरू कर दिया? यूरोपियंस को. It was from the Indians that the Arabs acquired the knowledge of numerals. It was from the Indians. अरब्स ने हमारे इंडियंस से, इंडिया से लर्न किया. क्या गेन किया? क्या नॉलेज गेन किया? क्या लर्न किया? न्यूमरल्स एंड ऑल्सो डेसिमल सिस्टम एंड ज़ीरो. अरब्स ने हमसे न्यूमरल्स भी सीखा, और नॉलेज ऑफ न्यूमरल्स, फिर डेसिमल सिस्टम्स भी हमसे सीखा. फिर उन्होंने जीरो एंड पास्ट इट टू द यूरोपियंस. सब हमसे सीख लेते थे, फिर क्या करते थे? वो यूरोपियंस को पास कर देते थे. द अरब्स कॉल्स देयर न्यूमरल्स एज ए हिंदीस. इसलिए वे लोग जो अरब्स थे उनके न्यूमरल्स को क्या कहते थे? हिंदीस. Which clearly shows their indebtedness to Hind और India. ये क्लियरली शो होता था कि वे सारी चीज़ें जो भी वे कर रहे हैं, जो भी न्यूमरल्स के बारे में हो, या डेसिमल के बारे में हो, या ज़ीरो के बारे में हो, ये सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने किससे सीखी? इंडिया से सीखी. ठीक. So today we have completed our chapter 10, and tomorrow we will start chapter 11, and so write down your homework, beta. Learn word meaning of chapter 10. Okay. Tomorrow I will give you all the exercises and also question answer in PDF form. So write down each and every step which I am sending you, or which I am giving you in the form of PDF, whether it is related to book or whether it is related related from copies. So try to write all the things in correct form and good and neat handwriting. Okay. So complete it now, better. Don't wait for to write later on. Write side by side after completion of this chapter. Write on all the exercises, then after come through all the question answer. Okay, beta. So today only this much. Thank you.